Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Nord 5 to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now you need to hit send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus, over here, and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OnePlus, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. Click OK in this white pop-up if you decided to select and send any apps. And now hit got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads. And as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!